everybody, it's Mrs. Bowman, and today we are going to be making our very own homemade play-doh. So it's going to be a lot of fun and it's super easy. My favorite part about this recipe is that you only need 2 ingredients, and that's cornstarch and baby lotion. These are items that you probably have around in your cupboards anyway. You can also use a very inexpensive conditioner in place of the lotion. And if you want to spice it up with some color, go ahead and add some food coloring. I'm going to take 1 cup of the cornstarch and 1/2 cup of the lotion. I have it already measured out. So I will go ahead and put that in. I just have a glass bowl and a spatula to get that in. It's nice because this ratio is 2 to 1, so you know whatever size of batch you want to make, it's going to be double the amount of cornstarch compared to the lotion or the conditioner. I'm going to do pink since the baby lotion's already a little bit pink. Just a couple drops will do. You can make whatever color you would like and mix that in to incorporate it. Ooh, it's kind of turning a pretty purple color. All right, and then just all you have to do next is add the cornstarch and mix it up. Eventually we'll need to knead this with our hands, but just stir it until it's nice and incorporated, and it'll be really fun to play with. If you feel like the consistency is a little off, then just add a little bit more conditioner or lotion. But keep kneading it for a while, so don't give up on it too soon. I'm going to go ahead and put the spatula aside and start kneading it with my hands. You can kind of see the texture here. This makes a super soft Play-Doh that's going to be really fun to sculpt and mold. So as you knead it, it will become more solid, and then you can decide if you need more of one ingredient or the other. You can also add in any essential oil scents that you want, or just buy the conditioner scent that you like. This really smells like baby lotion right now, so it's actually a pretty good scent. You can see it's clumping together a lot more. So I'll just keep kneading it for a while until I like the texture. Okay, I just finished mine and it came out perfect. I didn't need to add any extra to it, and it's just so soft and squishable. So go ahead and make your own.